In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create a stunning 3D perspective text effect with a reflection, all using Canva and completely free. First, start by adding the text you want to transform. Navigate to the text section, add a heading, type in your desired text. I recommend using all caps for a bold look. Next, choose a bold font. Then increase the size of the font to make it stand out. Then change the text color to white and set the background color to black to create contrast. Once you are happy, click on the Share option. Now check in for the option Transparent Background and click on Download. Next, add a new page in Canva and set a background image where you want the text to appear. You can go to Elements, then type in the image that you want, set it to Photos. With this, you're gonna find the Picture option. Select the one that you wanna set. After you select it, double click on it and select the option set as background. Now navigate to the section Apps. Here search for Transform Image. After the option appears, click on it. Now click on Choose File. Now select the downloaded file of the text. Now we will turn the flat text into a 3D perspective. Now in the preview, slightly rotate the image to the right section to bring the perspective effect. Add this transform text to your design, resize it and reposition it where you want in the scene. If there is extra space around the image, crop it. Now let's add the reflection. Duplicate the 3D text image. Now flip it vertically. Drag it downward to create the mirror effect. To make the reflection more realistic, we will use another free Canva app. Navigate to the section App. Search for Liquify. Under Liquify, you're going to find the font option. Select Wobble. Use the slider to increase or decrease the wobble effect. Now rotate the reflection and place it just below the original text. Reduce the transparency of the reflection to make it look lighter and more reflective. Finally, add depth to the design by going to Elements. Then search for Shadow. Now add a soft shadow. Rotate the shadow slightly and position it between the original text and the reflection. In the Position tab, click on Layers and move the shadow behind both text layers. This adds a realistic depth to your design, and that's it. You have now created a clean 3D perspective text effect with a reflection in Canva using free tools. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.